Hello and welcome to FountainFX on Friday the 1st of May at the end of a very busy week. We can see that this last week we've had quite a lot of news coming out, and it's really caused a reaction in the marketplaces. We're typically, in terms of how I teach and how I share strategies and that, is to look and focus on one particular currency pair. We do tend to look at the Euro-US dollar. It's the largest currency pair out there. So in looking at this, we can see that despite all the news, if we consider it that back here, if you look at the top left chart, which is the daily chart, price was falling down and did reach a low of the 104.50 level. And at that time, banks and institutions, they were all talking about the euro becoming on parity to the dollar. It's 1-to-1 basically. Since then, we've had quantitative easing issued in the Eurozone by the ECB. And then also what we've seen is the Greek questions continue to go on. This last week they turned around and said that there was some technical difficulties around their pensions in Greece. The technical difficulty was they had no money. While that sounds quite humorous, it is obviously quite alarming if you happen to be Greek. So the Greek question continues to put some strain on the euro. However, with the quantitative easing that's coming out, we're starting to see the European stock market rally quite well. The currency is rallying very well against the US dollar, especially when we suddenly had some alarming statistics coming out of the US this last week, where the consumer price index was expected to show some confidence in the US economy, and it was a fifth. That's right, a fifth of what was predicted. It was predicted to see a growth of 1%. It had a growth of 0.2%. And that was down on the previous month's figures, which was 2.2%, which was actually down on the previous forecast as well. So it shows that there might be some problems unraveling in the US economy as well, as the US dollar starts to show signs of weakness. So we've got to be aware of that. But the thing that's amazing with trading is that it doesn't matter when all this news comes out, because it always provides an opportunity for you to take profit. And that's what we've been doing this week with our WhatsApp group, with a group of traders, etc. They've been taking some nice points out of the market. Thursday we took over 75 points. I mean, it did move over 100 points straight up, but we took points as it went up, and it came back down as the news came out. And Friday didn't trade because it was a holiday, so we're looking forward to this week ahead. Now, coming forward to the week ahead, we are looking at another week of volatility, price moving up and down, and often it's going to be down to the news. I mean, Friday we're going to be seeing a non-farm employment change from the US, which is the most critical piece of data in the week. Expect that to cause price to move. And Thursday sees the British elections. Suspicion or news is that it's going to be another hung parliament, so there's a lot of uncertainty around the British marketplace and therefore the value of its currency. So I would say be aware of that if you are trading the pound this week. Be very much aware of what's going on there. But in terms of overall trading, the markets are very buoyant, which is great. It gives amazing opportunity to take profit from it. And as you can see here, looking back at this daily chart, had we gone with the rumour, which was to keep selling the euro and buying the dollar, we would be in serious trouble today, as prices rallied all the way up. So keep looking at the markets, keep looking for areas of opportunity. The news is a great opportunity to cause the market to move very violently in one particular direction, and there's always a great opportunity to jump on the back of that and trade in the shadows of the smart money. So happy trading to you all out there. Stay safe. Be aware of obviously Thursday, Friday. Monday is a bank holiday in the UK, so, and also Japan, so don't expect much movement on the pound, but I may be wrong there. So just see what there is and take the opportunity as it presents itself. All the very best. Bye bye.